I know every time I make a video like this, people will say, just ignore the trolls. Now, of course, just a few days ago, I made a video saying that statement is probably 20 years too old. There's no ignoring trolls anymore. You can't ignore them. They're there. They're not going to go away just because you ignored them. As a matter of fact, there's been some new studies that suggest that the more you ignore them, the worse they become, because they want to be heard. In the past, people would believe that if you ignored them, they would get bored and go away. But the whole reason a troll is because they want that attention. So if you're not giving them the attention, they will find it. They will get to it. And the thing is it keeps escalating. It goes from, you know, some bad comment that you ignored or blocked or whatever, and then they start making multiple accounts to make sure that you heard them the first time. And then when they didn't do that, then they'll make a Facebook account, and then they'll start joining the groups that you're in, and then they'll figure out where you live. Then they'll try to friend you on Facebook, and then they just come to your place. So it just continuously escalates the more you ignore them. So, you know, that phrase, just ignore the trolls. I mean, even AI said, just ignore the trolls. And I said, ignoring them doesn't do any good. It finally, I mean, it quickly admitted, you know, you're right. So, anyway, the reason I said that is because I'm trying to avoid 20,000 comments today or tomorrow. I found a bolt that I was looking for. I don't want to lose that. Where can I put it so I don't lose it? I'm going to put it right here. So, anyway, the reason I say that, there's Girly. She loves being outside. The other one won't come outside hardly. She just won't hardly come inside. So the reason I said that is to avoid 20 comments tomorrow saying, just ignore the trolls, because it's just illogical advice. You really got to understand them before you can say something about it. And the thing is I really recommend everybody start learning about them. And there's all kinds of different trolls. There's the sneaky trolls and the direct trolls and the gotcha trolls and just on and on and on. They're trying to get you to reply. And so over time, you have to learn all the techniques. And I've actually been using AI to help me find them. If a comment looks suspicious, I am now copying. You can copy, you know, do a print screen, and you can show it to AI, and it'll help you analyze it and break it down and tell you what it thinks. And usually it agrees. So one of the big indicators is you'll get two comments right in a row within, you know, a few seconds of each other. Now, on a normal channel, that'd be all right. But when you have a dying channel like I have, it's so freaking obvious. It's not even, you can't miss it. You know, I get 5 comments maybe. On the rare occasion, I might get 25. But usually it's about 5 comments. YouTube has blocked so many accounts on my channel that I just don't get them anymore. So, when I get a comment, especially from someone that's new, that's really strange to me. On a dying channel, you don't get new viewers. You only get, and I'm not saying this is bad, I'm just saying you only get an audience that's still watched after years and years and years. I have lost 1,200 subscribers in a year, so I'm not gaining new viewers. I'm losing viewers. See, so it's not hard to see that when you get 2 comments and they both seem suspicious. You know, one called me a TV character. I'm not going to mention who it is. And it was supposed to sound, it could have either sound sarcastic or complimentary. And see, there's the trick. It could be an either or thing. So, being as skeptical as I already was, because it's somebody I've never seen before, it was already a flag. It was already a flag that this is a troll. Well, then right after that, there was another comment, which is another signal that that first comment is a troll. I just don't get 2 comments in a row, and both of them are suspect. So the second comment says, it's about a video where I made where customers aren't paying. Now, one of the things you have to understand is when customers aren't paying, this is not a phenomenon just unique to me. all mechanics, and I even said that in the video, suffer from this problem. It's a huge problem. I mean, there are laws that talk about what to do if there's, I mean, in that video I explained 2 different laws. But this guy says, I'm new to your channel. Well, when they say that, that is a huge signal. That's just not something people usually say when they come to your channel. They don't say, I'm new to your channel. They don't. But trolls have watched all your videos will say, I'm new to your channel. The problem is people are so accustomed to lying that they don't even catch the lie inside the 2 sentences that they write. 2 sentences, and they can't figure out that I'm going to catch the lie. I'm new to your channel. In your area, you shouldn't be working on lawnmowers if you have a problem with people not paying. Whoa. In your area? What area do you think I live in, new viewer? So I'm sitting here and I'm showing you a camera angle like this in the whole video. You're new to the channel. So what can you see? You see some woods out here, a tarp, and a couple pieces of equipment. Now the woods doesn't really indicate anything. Even if you went to my description and it says Missouri, are you saying the entire state of Missouri doesn't deserve a lawnmower mechanic? That's confusing to me. So, okay, we can look at the woods and we can say, okay, those are Missouri-backed woods. I agree. That looks like Missouri woods to me. You know, I've lived all over Missouri, and if there's woods, they look like that. So you got that down. So apparently Missouri is not allowed to have lawnmower mechanics. So he was automatically caught in a lie. Instantly. I'm new to your channel, but I know exactly where you live, and where you live, if you don't want to get paid, don't do lawnmower repair. You know, that's strange, because then he says, I mean, if you really think about what he said, if it bothers you that you're not getting paid, you're in the wrong business. Because of the area you're in. What do you mean I'm in the wrong business? It is illegal not to pay. That is a crime, and I can take your mower if you commit that crime. How is this the wrong business? The logic doesn't even add up. So they're so busy trying to convince a person that they're stupid for being in a certain area. They're stupid because they're working on lawnmowers, that don't even think about the stupidity of their logic. So if it bothers you that you're not getting money for the services that you provide, you're in the wrong business. Wouldn't it bother you if you're in any business and somebody doesn't pay? I don't know. Let's say you're in the business of making electric. You send that electric out to your customers, and your customer uses electric for a month, and they don't pay. You know what happens? Is the electric company seems to be bothered by that, because they do all kinds of crazy things. They send your bills off to collection agencies, and, you know, how about credit card companies? Credit card companies, they seem bothered by the idea of not getting their money. It doesn't seem like it's unique to a small town mechanic, lawnmower mechanic, that doesn't get paid. It doesn't seem like a unique phenomenon. Oh, it bothers you that you're not getting paid? Oh, that's just stupid. You should just accept it and go on with a smile. Oh, by the way, I know where you live. I'm new to your channel. The thing is, you know, I said it in that last video, society is getting really bad. I mean, really bad. About lies, being trolls. And I AI'd it today. Trolls are getting worse. There are more of them. Now, I don't know, maybe, yeah, it could be a lot of reasons why there's more of them. But to me, it seems like, and this is just a theory, is over time, people become so numb to the idea that the anonymity of being on the internet, no identity, that you could be mean to someone that you wouldn't be mean to face to face. And the thing is I'm just a mean person. I admit it. I'm not friendly. People seem to think that I am. You know, they see me on the video. Oh, no, you're very friendly. I would love to have a beer with you. Okay, if you come over here to have a beer with me, you're going to find the wrath of my unfriendliness. So, no, that you may love having a beer with me. I can guarantee you, you won't. You'll absolutely hate it. And then, you know, you'll say, you're an a-hole. Yes, now you're understanding. So I don't mind being rude to people online or in public. I can do both. And I admit it. You know, I know people seem to think that is just a horrible thing. You need to do better. You need to be a better person. Why do I need to be a better person? I chose to live here. I chose to be alone. I chose to be grumpy. I chose to be Clint Eastwood in the movie Gran Torino. I can do nice things. I know how to do nice things. And I will do nice things. But I don't have to be nice doing it, if that makes sense. But other people put on masks. They will lie to you, be hateful. They'll get online and be hateful to you and then come up to your face. Hi, how are you? Let me think about it. You know, you go to the social gathering and you're shaking everybody's hand and they're all just so sweet to you. Oh, they're just so nice. I just love the way you dressed her up, you know, and on and on and on and on, right? And then as soon as you leave, the gossiping starts behind you. That guy, did you hear about that guy? Yeah, you know, he's not all right in the head. You know, there's something wrong with him. At church. They do this at church. The place where you're supposed to forgive these things. I don't do that. If I think that you are something that needs to be called out, I'm not going to call it out behind your back. I will just straight up tell you right to your face. And so, this guy who wants to hide behind the shield of YouTube, I'm going to call it right out to your face. You are a liar. You have been on my channel for a very long time. You know exactly where I live. And you're quite dumb because you think that I'm in the wrong business if I think it's wrong that people don't pay me. Or if it bothers me that people don't pay me. I can guarantee you, it doesn't matter what business you're in, if you don't get paid, you're going to get bothered. I've seen union companies, Kellogg, Iowa, not pay their employees. Well, they paid them, but all the checks bounced. Oh, you talk about a bunch of people upset in a company that was going broke. Everybody knew it was going broke, and they didn't get paid. They were mad. I mean, absolutely mad. They showed up to work, but they were mad. It bothered them. So it doesn't matter what business you're in. It can happen that you're not going to get paid, and it's going to bother you. So you're an idiot and a liar. So if you click this up next box, take the video over to my other channel. Really appreciate it if you go check it out. So if I can inspire you, don't be a liar or an idiot. Sing of your dreams. Thanks for watching.